Chris Letner, the inventor of Swift programming language, has announced the creation of a new programming language called Mojo, which is built on top of Python and is 35,000 times faster than Python. The new programming language, Mojo Lang, has been designed as a superset of the Python programming language. Python still ranks high as one of the most popular programming languages due to its ability to create complex applications using simple and readable syntax. However, its biggest challenge is speed, which is an important element of programming. There are other programming languages such as C or C++, which have incredible speed and higher performance in comparison to Python. However, if speed is what you're looking for, the majority of people stick with C, Rust, or C++. Mojo Lang is a new programming language that is designed to be fast, efficient, and flexible. It is a superset of Python, which means that it can run Python code, but it also has a number of features that make it faster and more powerful. Chris Letner, the creator of Mojo Lang, has taken the usability of Python and merged it with the performance of the C programming language. This has unlocked a new level of programming for AI developers with unparalleled programmability of AI hardware and the extensibility of AI models. Mojo Lang is a superset of Python, which is fully compatible with Python and allows users to interact with the Python ecosystem and make use of libraries such as NumPy. Mojo Lang is designed for programming on AI hardware, such as GPUs running CUDA. It uses a number of techniques to achieve high performance, including multi-level intermediate representation, MLIR. MLIR is a compiler infrastructure that allows Mojo Lang to be compiled to different hardware targets, such as CPUs, GPUs, and FPGAs. This allows Mojo Lang to take advantage of the specific features of each hardware target, resulting in better performance. Progressive types. Mojo Lang supports progressive types, which means that you can start writing code without specifying the types of your variables. This makes it easier to get started with Mojo Lang, and it also allows you to change the types of your variables later without having to change your code. Zero-cost abstractions. Mojo Lang supports zero-cost abstractions, which means that you can use high-level abstractions without sacrificing performance. This is achieved by using compiler optimizations to inline the code for these abstractions. Ownership plus borrow checker. Mojo Lang supports ownership and borrow checking, which are techniques for ensuring memory safety. This makes it less likely that you will write code that leaks memory or crashes. Portable parametric algorithms. Mojo Lang supports portable parametric algorithms, which means that you can write algorithms that can be used on different hardware targets without having to change the code. This makes it easier to port your code to new hardware targets. Language integrated auto-tuning. Mojo Lang has built-in auto-tuning, which means that it can automatically find the best values for your parameters to take advantage of target hardware. This can significantly improve the performance of your code. Mojo Lang is still under development, but it has the potential to be a powerful tool for AI development. It is already being used by a number of companies, including Google, Facebook, and Amazon. Here are some of the benefits of using Mojo Lang. Fast. Mojo Lang is significantly faster than Python, making it ideal for AI development. Efficient. Mojo Lang is designed to be efficient, using a number of techniques to minimize memory usage and CPU overhead. Flexible. Mojo Lang is a general-purpose language, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Easy to learn. Mojo Lang is easy to learn for Python programmers, and it has a number of features that make it easier to write correct code. Mojo Lang also has the following features. Improve efficiency and error checking by using types. Assuming control over storage by inlining data into abstractions with no cost. Utilizing memory safety to protect ownership and borrower information without any sharp edges. You can automatically determine the ideal settings for your parameters using auto-tuning. Can I use Mojo Lang right now? Due to its early stages of development, Mojo Lang is regrettably not accessible to the general public. In the future, it will be open-sourced, but until then, you may sign up for the waitlist to test out Mojo Lang.